For this word problem, we are going to take the same four-step process where step 1 is to read the problem. So in this problem, we have a chef is mixing items into a pot. She added 1.5 cups of milk, 1 cup of butter, 0.5 cups of flour, and 0.25 cups of oil. How much stuff is in her pot? So now we're going to move on to step 2 where we organize ourselves. We need to find any key terms and underline them. The key terms in example 3 is the word added. And as it is stated directly in its word, we need to add all of these cups together. So the cups of milk, the cups of butter, the cups of flour, and the cups of oil. So now let's solve our question. Because she added all these, that means we have to add all of these numbers together. So we are going to add 1.5 plus 1 plus 0.5 plus 0.25. Now to solve for the addition of these, we're going to set it up like any other problem, with our first digit on top, our second digit right below it, but we want to make sure these are lined up properly, so we're going to write our digit after, our third number right below our second number, and again our digits need to be lined up, and then our last number on the very bottom. As we can see, our decimals are all lined up, so that means every other digit is lined up as well. Now we add our addition sign and we draw a line underneath. Now when we add these numbers together, we start with our far right column. So we have nothing above this 5, so this 5 just gets carried down. And then we have 5 plus nothing plus 5 plus 2 to give us 12. So this 2 gets brought down and then the 1 gets carried up to the next column. Now all these decimals get carried down to have a decimal in our final answer. And then in our final column, we have 1 plus 1 plus 0 plus 0 to give us 2, and then 2 plus the 1 that we added gives us 3. So our final answer of how much stuff is in the pot is 3.25 cups. Now we can confirm our answer, and we have answered the question because we need to find how much stuff is in the pot, and after adding up everything that she added into the pot, we get our final answer of 3.25 cups in the pot.